It is a wedding week, so I had to go to the streets of social media, Facebook to be exact. Then came across some of the delicious pictures of the wedding. Of course, we have to come and talk about them. Pretty wanyala batho ba modimo. Pretty o tswa ko ha Sakamela o ya ko ha ba re ke ko ha Maphosa. So bianong he re tshwantse re bue ka dress ya hae bathong. Okay, I don't know why I'm just way too excited. Okay, so this is the glitz and the glam of her dress. Oh, MJ made it to the party. So MJ is looking very stunning like his father. And oh, don't they look beautiful? Guys, this is so beautiful, ne? And I want to talk more about this dress. Uguti, are we going to have a session where we undress this dress and then we get to see the glitters that is on the dress more than we can see all the chandelier at the bottom, the fur that we see at the bottom? Guys, I think Skeem Saam went all out. Did you see the cars, the goroi, eh? We're talking luxurious. We're talking money. Pretty was smelling and stinking money, child. And one thing I like about this is that they went all out. Even the background artist, if you look at them, they're also ready. And Cubes made it to the wedding. I thought he was not coming. I see Cubes there. Do you see him? I do. Ah, you mean hi Mubango. This is James from Mubango. What is it? He's now a pastor. This wedding won't last. Okay, well, let's not say it won't last. But Mubango, we see you there. You see what I was talking about? If you see on the far right there, there's a slit there. That slit, I wanted to find out if this gown we can remove the top fur and then we can just see the beauty, the gorgeous, pretty Sia Kamela becoming soon becoming Maphosa. Look at that. Look at the background. Look at guys, if one thing about Skeem Saam, attentive to detail. Attention to detail is what Skeem Saam is on about. Yeah. Woo! Pregnant, do the mams on up and move. Pregnant and looking so beautiful. But I actually don't like Eunice's dress. I feel like it's making her look older than she is. But look at the pregnant one at the back there. Mama's like, hey, you slang child. Eunice's dress for me, it's a no. Oh, is this a defender? Is that a... Oh my God, here comes the bride. Tell me what you think about this wedding. Did she eat or not?